Aquarius, this is your channel messages for the 5th to the 10th of September, Aquarius. Yeah, this is your reading. I have messages for you, Aquarius. So the first message I have is something about tooth decay. I'm getting something about someone's teeth is changing. I'm getting when you meet somebody, them teeth was perfect or them teeth was okay. I don't know if you're having sex with this person, Aquarius, the star card, or me getting throughout the relationship, you notice them teeth start to rot quickly. Like even if tooth will decay, it don't decay that fast throughout your relationship. I'm also getting something about very thin teeth. So I'm not sure if somebody's going to get not veneers. What you call it is, you know, the thing where you put over your teeth to make your teeth look really good. You know, I didn't really know in first world countries people will really criticize you about your teeth badly. I mean, I know some people have bad genetics that make them have, you know, weird teeth, but teeth is actually a big thing here. Something we don't know in third world countries because we're too busy trying to eat. We thought we didn't really have money, or we didn't really prioritize going to the dentist to getting our teeth like properly taken care of every 6 months, because your teeth's not going to decay if you're always hungry. Or maybe there's something about you hungry and your teeth are decay fast. So I'm getting, now this could be when you meet a man or a woman when she's a warlock or she's a witch. I'm getting when you're there with her, like black witch. I didn't mean that. That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant, African American people. That's not what I meant. Me getting when she do dark magic, me getting her teeth. She start to have tooth problem. No, tooth problem can also be a sign of your mark for death, or someone was trying to kill you. Me getting your tooth save you. Me getting there's a moment in your life, or me don't know if you, I don't know if you when you were a kid you did suffer from tooth problems. Me getting something about your teeth, something about your gums. All right. But I'm also getting your mark for death. I'm getting anytime somebody got dead or your mark for death, your teeth do something, your teeth hurt you. It could be a back teeth, which is what is your molars or is it your premolars, right? But I'm getting somebody teeth decaying really quickly, like fast. I was also hearing Asmodeus. No, Asmodeus, which is in demonology, is the demon in the Jewish legend, particularly known in the book of Tobit as a demon who kills Sarah's 7th husband and also appears in Talmudic stories. What? Concerning the building of the Temple of Solomon. So you kill Sarah's 7th husband, and then the Temple of fucking Solomon was there, where all the men and the women were separated. That was kind of Temple of Solomon. You see, so you have to understand that your brother and your sister might share the same womb. That's why it is important or usually balanced in life when men and women can coexist together and they don't, because you can't say man and women can't be best friends. Oh, you can't say man and women cannot have a professional or friendly relationship without it leading to sex. Because if you have siblings, because some boys only have brothers. Them only have friends who are guys, so them don't know anything about either being attentive or being a friend to a woman unless it involves sexual activity. Then you have men who have sisters. Usually when men have sisters, them do really good in relationships or with other women. Other women really like support them. So anyways, yeah, so I'm getting something about Jews. Okay, I'm also getting something about Sarah's 7th husband who appeared in Talmudic stories concerning the building of it. So before the Temple of Solomon was building, before the Temple of Solomon was built, right? He is often associated with the capital sin of lust, right? So what is this? Is this something about you kill our 7th husband because you wanted her to be same sex? Something about somebody want you to be same sex? It could be that. Asmodeus is featured in many forms of the literature and popular culture, such as Dungeons and Dragons setting in a Pathfinder role-playing game, where he is often depicted as an archdevil and a master of deceit and manipulation. Me getting, usually when you know the masters of deceit and manipulation, me getting them teeth. Now when you're very intuitive or you're kind of high up elevated, me getting people come around you, them start to have toothache. all of a sudden them gone a dentist. Or something about them teeth. Me getting something about your mark for death, or you can mark death. It is your teeth. Or me getting the last time somebody put a hit out on you, me getting your teeth. Something was like your teeth. Okay, anyways, let us go ahead and go into your reading. Aquarius, the star, your sacrifice. This could be somebody wanted your teeth. The tooth corner take mine. The fucking tooth. I want the Illuminati and the fucking government to know that the tooth corner on Kingston Road take my blood clot back teeth, right? And the fuck of them say, me have to pay them $4,000 for blood clot drill and fill. And I don't have that money. The government of Canada know that they have been supporting my clit since me left my ex-husband, right? Okay, fine. And then pull my blood clot teeth. My necklace, my evil eye necklace did missing the same blood clot there. Then pull my blood clot teeth and them right teeth number 37. No, according to fucking Timmy Turner, right? And the fucking Fairly Odd Parents. Why should I talk to you when I got 32? Woo! Shiny teeth and me, shiny teeth that sparkles just like the stars in space. Shiny teeth that sparkles adds beauty to my face. Shiny teeth, I love them, and they all love me. Why should I talk to you when I got 32? Ooh, shiny teeth and me. I have 32 blood clot teeth. And as a matter of fact, I don't think I have 32 teeth in my fucking head. Because I don't even know where the fuck my wisdom teeth gone or come, right? But anyways, then pull my blood clot teeth and write teeth number 37. I am not an animal. I'm not a fucking dog. Humans have 32 teeth. How the tooth corner on Kingston Road write down tooth number 37. Which human have 37 teeth? Dirty fuckers. Anyways, me getting somebody teeth a decay or some boy your teeth. Aquarius, a star. No, maybe them want your teeth for check. When them use teeth and check. How old you are? Wait, let me look. Hold on, test by. Me getting for a person's identity. Oh yeah, because in the military, if you have any type of dental work, they will say you can't join it. Test for a person's identity, health status, or daily life habits. Forensic investigators, by analyzing their unique patterns and dental records. In clinical dentistry, teeth are tested to diagnose and monitor various conditions such as cavities, cracks, gum disease, and health for the pulp through methods including X-ray, thermal sensitive tests, and laser fluorescent. Saliva collected from the mouth, which comes from the teeth, and oral structures can also be used for DNA testing. If somebody wants your DNA, I don't really mean who your mother and father is. I'm getting who is your grand. That's what I'm using for test for teeth. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Whereas the teeth. You notice when celebrities get on, yes, them change them teeth. Cardi B, yes. I kind of, I know that you're coming to this etiquette class, but I want to understand, why are you dressing this way? Well, I just want the public to know I dress like this because I have a crooked tooth. So I'd rather they look at my titties than look at my mouth. Okay, Cardi, we don't really have to go that way, right? Okay, so I'm getting something with your teeth, or I'm getting something about, I'm getting them to try to test where you come from. Something about your teeth. Yeah, you notice when celebrities get on them change them teeth. I'm not talking about getting dental work for crooked teeth. This could be something about someone with crooked teeth, right? But I'm also getting them run go to the dentist. Now I know that you stare at someone's mouth when them talk, but do you stare at your girlfriend's mouth, or do you say she talk a lot so you stare at her tits? You see, men never make sense. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Aquarius. We have the moon card coming out first. I'm getting like your teeth hurt you in the nights. Does your tooth hurt you between certain hours? That is witchcraft. That is graveyard magic. That's how it sounds. We have the page of, I'm getting something about your son. Is it something about your baby? I'm getting when you were a child, or something about your teeth. When you're your mother have your teeth. Maybe your mom have your teeth, because the moon card is your mom have your tooth. You ever ask your mother if she still have your baby teeth? We have the 3 of Wands. Okay, so I'm getting something about you, your teeth, and you traveling. You went to another country. Something about three of your teeth. Are we getting something where you can find out something? I don't know if you can go back to your mom's or your parents' house, you can find something where you never searched before. I'm getting you find teeth. But I'm getting, or maybe you're finding your teeth. Okay, like certain mothers will say them have them kids' first haircut. And if the hair when the kids cut for the first time, some mothers still have that years later. I'm getting something about your teeth. This could be something about like your nails, like nails clippings from when you were a baby or something like that. We have a Two of Swords, and we also have the Seven. I'm getting for something. Okay, so I'm getting something about your. I'm getting like your mother have you under a spell, where you just did work and support her. You work, you support her. Yes, you had one and two maybe feelings or inclinations for being in relationships, but me getting you only your purpose just was for me getting. When you think about in life, you can ask people these questions. Close your eyes and think about your happiest moments. Some people say, with my husband. Some people say, with my kids. Me getting when you think about the happiest moment in your life, you think about your mother. Which is okay, because I'm getting you young, right? So maybe you don't develop, because having a mother relationship is a woman who did take care of you, who did feed you, bath you, clothe you, discipline you from you were a baby coming up. You're going to have that maternal figure to her. Now, if we can be very honest to men, maybe I'm man need to ask this, but me going to ask this, because you know y'all love to call me sir. When I love call me blood clot, sir. I don't know what it is with Scarborough. I don't know what it is with Rashida and Kirk, but y'all obsessed over my penis, okay? I never had a country that speaks so wildly about my imaginary penis. Now, what I want the government of Canada to know is that whether I do or don't have a penis, I noticed that, yo, Yandy, why is Rashida and Kirk talking about my penis? Is it my penile skin they're worried about? What are they worried about, huh? My penis is the topic of discussion, and I don't think a lot of people can handle when they find out that I don't have a penis, but they keep talking about it, right? So I'm getting, have any man ever felt sexually at any moment? At any time? This is taboo. This is taboo topics. Baby, you know, please cover your ears. This is sponsored by Black Sheets. So before you think that black is so bad, you don't know black until you have black sheets. Anyways, right? Yeah, at any time when you grew up as a teenager, did you ever feel you ever walk with your mother? You ever sleep in the same bed with her and you wake up in the morning and you're like, I feel like if men were if mother, especially the one them, were very over them sons about sex. This is what I think. Could I be wrong? No, but this is what I think. This could be something about you getting your mother have a secret. You have sex with her. Me getting no, you don't have girlfriends, you put on a condom and your mother tell you say it's just sex. That's what girls are used for. It's just relieve and share your mother. And you and her keep the secret. And me getting is not about you and her being so. Me getting is your shabby teeth. Me getting over the years you develop this thing with you and your mother when they start have sex. Me don't know if you come on to she first and she said what you do. Like no, you can't do that. Me don't know if there were times when you lie down. Me getting is a guy. Me getting there was times when you lie down by your mother, even if you put your head on her breast. Even me getting it have very arousal feelings about her. And I don't know if there was a point where that boundary was crossed. Your mother gonna say share your mother. Your mother gonna say son fuck me, don't fuck that whore, she gonna take your money. That's why your nasty pussy mother gonna say. Probably your mother pussy is not nasty because apparently her son likes her. Same. Anyways, are you a single mother? Me getting shabby teeth. Cause me getting, you see in a life, everybody have taboos. If you go on Pornhub, you see how much my stepsister came into my room with this clothes on. Why are you looking at your stepsister? So, because you and her is not related. Like, what kind of taboo is that? Like, so people have them weird taboos. Me getting something about you and your mother. Maybe you think your girlfriend's not gonna notice. You think the girl them not gonna notice you. You think, me don't know if this is a thing where me getting something about man. If men were very honest, have you ever been cause me getting to have a sound fuck up, but me getting we're not talking about emotional. You're going to have an emotional bond with your mother because she take care of you. if there was a woman who was not your mother, who did adopt you, and you didn't know her from she little taking care of you, you still gonna have more loyalty to she, your adopted mother, than you have loyalty to any girlfriend. Because it's a woman where you know. Now the only difference supposed to be you don't have sex with your mother, you have sex with your girlfriend. Now that's where the overlaying boundary comes in with mother-in-law, or your mother versus your girlfriend, your mother versus your wife. Your mother can't overstep or talk over a boundary when you're having sexual intercourse with a woman, because you don't have sex with your mother. Now unless there was a time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, she did, me getting it, me don't know if she did comment, me getting she was, okay, me gonna tell you what me feel. But don't feel like your mother did lower you. But feel like you saw your mother, and you say your mother looked very pretty. I don't know how old you were, and me getting you come on to she. And at first she said no, but then she just gave in. Which man this? You see, women, sometimes you deal with man who deal with these problems. You don't know. You don't know why I'm not like you. You don't know why I'm not text you. You don't know why I'm have so much girl, but you're not coming to none. You have to understand, tu dois comprendre la situation. Quelque chose. Quelque temps. Désolé. You have to understand the situation sometimes. You don't know. You're getting something about one boy. No, I don't know if this is your mom, as in your stepmother, as in one woman take it in and adopt you. I'm getting a woman took you in, she adopt you, and I'm getting, maybe on paper, it's saying that she's your mother, she's your caretaker, she's your guardian. I'm getting, yeah, I have sexual feelings about her. I feel like, yeah, I look upon somebody in them bed in the nights. Aquarius, this is crazy. Anyways, the moon card is clarified by the 5 of what. Yeah, your mother got argue. Me getting some arguments with you and your mother are the secrets. Me getting everybody I find out about the secret. The star card. No, the star card is supposed to be a girl who was a celebrity. Did you reject your girlfriend, or you make a celebrity girlfriend feel fucked up because secretly you was fucking your mother? Me getting the secret is out and everybody know. The Page of Cups is clarified by, yeah, me getting you scared. Maybe somebody else text you or come back in because they need to hide the secret. Me don't know where you do, or me getting you get catch. See, me getting you get catch. You don't know if you have to run or confront the situation. Like the beast have you. You get catch. And him look scared as fuck. You're getting something about your mother. But me don't know if the thing is this something men go through? Because who men are gonna tell about this? And if you want to talk about these things, you better pay a psychiatrist. Can't be a girlfriend unless your girlfriend very, 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 very spiritually elevated. But ask a man, you think your mother pretty? Yeah, okay. At any time when you that grow up, you ever look by your mother and say, you know, if she was a mother, would I have sex with her? You remember when Donald Trump said the same thing? You know, my daughter was. Remember, Donald Trump did say how if his daughter is so beautiful, if she wasn't my daughter, I would date her. And people said, pedophile! Certified lover boy, certified pedophile. People said Donald Trump mad. But I feel like Donald Trump is not far from saying what I think. Because some of the mothers is baddies. Baddies. Some of the mother look good. Even whether them old or young, some of the mother look good. He's a man. No, this is what I think. I think man will have emotional attachment if... Men will have emotional attachments if you're doing things for them. You know, like your mother do things for you. No, yes, your mother might guilt you because of her own personal development growing up. But your mother is your mother. The only difference between your wife, who is going to be there for you for the rest of your life and take care of you, whether you're broke, whether you're sick. Because your wife usually your wife or your girlfriend who you're turning into your wife, she take on the responsibility of your mother. Usually that's what she do. She take over your laundry. Right? I remember I was in problems with mothers-in-law because mother-in-law did have to stop the laundry when me did come in. And them freak out and them very upset about it. I did his laundry for 20 years. I do him laundry every single day. Now the girlfriend I come, this routine what I'm having on my head for do this, now it get taken away from me. Because that's a sentimental development you have with your son, or when your son stay with you very, very long and you don't allow him to have relationships with women, he's going to be very codependent on you. Which is fine. But at the same time, me getting in this situation, this is something about sex. Me getting you had sex with your mother once. And let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, and I don't know where this has come from. The Chariot card is here, which is my police card. You see, if your mother did fuck, any girl where you fuck have to look like she. And if the girls them where you don't date and don't look like she, it's gonna be a weird uncomfort. She probably will fling you out. She will fling you out. Like she'll call police on you. She'll call police on you. Come and get it. But me getting is something to do with your teeth. When you were young. I don't know. Maybe your mother always joke and say you is our second husband, you is our husband. My son is my man. She always joke and say that. But me getting at the son, me getting at you to come on to she. Or you did something to her a bit inappropriate when you were older and she did let it slide. Maybe she was doing laundry and she had half. No, I'm sorry. Listen, if you fuck your mother, but not Rudy, your life. 3 of Wands is clarified by the Sun card. Hopefully you never get did your mother get pregnant? So your son, so your baby, your mother baby. Okay, so I'm getting something about a baby where you did leave, you turn your back on a baby, or something about the baby came out very, very deformed. I'm getting the baby was from incest. I'm getting the Sun card, happiness. I'm getting a Leo. Or I'm getting something about if this is something that happened the only way. I'm getting 2 things. I'm getting you have to do 2 things, Brody. Your mother have a man. First of all, she have a man because you fuck her. So even if you want son to fuck your mother, your mother is cheating. You cheat? Are you? Is that what your mother told you? Your mother taught you to be a cheater. You're fucking your mother while your mother man out at work. You see this shit? Anyways, me getting a baby did come from this, or me getting is either you stay, or me getting you have to date other, you have to date other women, because that's what you were told to do. When me getting emotionally and sexually, you fuck your mother. Probably take her on getaways. Hotel room with 1 bed. We'll just sleep in the same bed, mom. Bruh, I hear, bro, if you want to fuck your mother, you do you, Brody. I'm not saying nothing about nobody. The 2 of Swords is clarified by the Hierophant, yeah. Because God knows sometimes, I'm not going to lie, Pope Francis, if you don't want me to. But you have to admit that in Catholic schools, the priests would fuck each other in the ass. You guys would. Like, it was a thing. That's why a lot of Christian men, especially a lot of spiritual men, not spiritual, Christian man, the one with the cross, the one with the blood clot chain, them will fuck you in your ass. That's a Catholic thing. That's that thing. Yeah, me not say nothing. Me, the only thing woman that say about it, do not date other woman. And this is worse than battling with sexuality. You're not battling with sexuality with this one. You're battling with having sexual feelings with your mother. No, your mother can't come out and talk about this. When you can't be in a relationship. But you do fuck when you can. Your mother have a man and you try battle with a girl. But then when you get close to a girl with marriage, your mother will come. Me getting your mother is a woman. She texts you every day and she with her man. Me getting as soon as you find a girl if you marry, your mother just so supportive. Your mother in your life suffer as soon as you find a girl you want to commit to, the Hierophant. Your mother just show up. Your mother back, you don't know how is it that your mother, you don't even understand how she's so concerned about all of these things now. Didn't she have a man a couple months ago before you did commit to somebody? Me getting everything changed when you commit. Yeah, because I'm getting, because mom don't know if she can fuck you anymore. You're her son. The 8 of Pentacles is clarified by the Hierophant. Hello, Aries. The Emperor. So... yeah, because I'm getting you're very successful. You always focus on work. Work. You say you have to work. No matter. You have to work. You're always working. And the only thing you think about emotionally is moms and kids. Because your mother tell you to have kids. Brody, if you're fucking your mom, fuck your mom, Brody. But like, do not be leading on these women. Like, don't do that. That's fucked up. It's not even you battling with sexuality. You battle with fucking your mother. And your mother go back and forth. Every time you commit to a girl, your mother fuck up your shit. With your teeth or she fuck up your shit. You Brody. Chariot, the police card is clarified by the King of Pentacles. I'm getting something about a Cancer. Something about a Cancer with a lot of money. So me getting if you were supposed to marry an Emperor with a Hierophant and the Emperor, you're not gonna marry him. Me getting the Emperor, which is with all that money, him a deal with a very, very dark secret. Very dark. I'm getting you out there with one Cancer, a police officer, or a Capricorn. I'm getting that's who you might deal with. Evil. Yeah, somebody evil. So me getting him and his mother bully you. The son and the mother bully you, the son and the mother target you, and them a fuck each other. Tell them to go fuck your mother. Yeah, that's why when Jamaican people say go suck your mother, them probably wasn't far from the fucking truth. Yeah, evil. What kind of evil ass shit is that? Him and the mother target you and pick on you, cause them a fucking in the bed with each other. And then about say, oh, you don't have no baby. You don't want a baby. Or something about this baby. What's happening with this child? What the fuck this is? We have Azarel. Angel of death, guiding souls to the afterlife. I'm getting something about your teeth or somebody marked for death. Yeah, guiding souls to the afterlife. I'm getting something about your teeth. Doctor. Okay. You're gonna be with a Cancer. The Chariot is a Cancer. I'm getting another one Cancer police officer. Or one Cancer, something about a Cancer guy. Cause me getting the Cancer have both parents. That's the difference. You see, when you grow up with both parents, you are different characters. You have to know that. It don't matter if your father alone who raised you was the best father ever. You never have a mother. It don't matter if your mother was the best mother ever. You never had a father. You see, when both parents raise you, you develop this thing where you will be mutual to men and women. Cause sometimes your mother will be vexed with your father and you have to say, is either you're going to see your father being upset with your mother and you're not going to see your father get up and leave. You see your father stay there. You see your father might say, oh, you know, your mom complain a lot. So you will develop a mutual bias between man and woman. Because you will witness what your father did your mother, or you're going to witness what your mother did your father. When you don't have a father in your house, you only witness your mom. And the only emotions you're going to witness from your mother is fatigue or stress or she want time. Majority of the men them can tell you how when them in relationships, them girls stress them. Yeah, you mean like when your mother was in a relationship with a man, how she would have stressed him too? Are you not forgetting that your mom was once you? So when you, cause me getting the Cancer have both of them. Cause you're gonna hear your father cuss your mother about things. And you, even in your head, even if you're not as a son or a daughter, you can't stand up to them, you'll say, yeah, you know, it's true, dad cussing about this and mom wrong. Even if you don't say it. Or vice versa, your mother cuss your father about something and you say in your head, no, you know, mom wrong, she shouldn't cuss him about that. As children, you will feel that. When you only have one parent, the only thing you hear your mother cuss about is opposing her kids or opposing her emotions. You don't see her around a man. Ask the man then when you're there with a girl, how much stress? Okay, you have a job, you go gym, you have parties, you have friends. How much stress the little time when you spend with your girl give you? That was your mother. And just like how you don't want to be around the girl, the man never want to be around your mother. So when you grow up with two parents, you will see your father stress the fuck out and how him react to your mother. And you will see when your mother, you know what, your dad stressing me out, I just need the time. You will see that. So you develop a bias. Yeah, sometimes mom wrong, sometimes she right. Or that sometimes dad wrong, sometimes him right. So this is just my opinion. Something about a doctor. We have Scorpio, the dead. Who is this? Jafil, beauty, wisdom, and enlightenment. One more, and love at first sight. Love at first sight when him see me last night. Him say, him can't get over me, and me can't get over him. Me tell you no, I will make you wind up on me. So, boy, fall in love. Me will buy you a ticket to Barbados. Boy, fall in love. Cause you pretty little have me calling back. I'm gonna leave it here. The star card, Aquarius. You will not be anybody's sacrifice. The fuck out of here. Bye.